Just going to do a quick video on mixing brands again with the pots. I just want to put these little discoveries out to you, just so you might want to copy them or whatever, and take this video for what you will. And after this video I am going for a walk at the Sugarloaf. That's in South Wales, so there you go. It's up there, right behind the camera. Okay, what we got? Well, we got a Trangia bag, 27 series. You can get canvas ones for these as well, not by Trangia, by a different company. It's a Cornish company, I think. Anyway, you got a Vango titanium pot there, round about, I don't know, 15 centimeters, and the Trangia frying pan, same again. It's the mini version, 15 centimeters or 14.5 centimeters, something like that, across the diameter. That's just a chopping board cut into shapes to protect the Teflon. And what I've got here, what it looks like, is an MSR Seagull stowaway pot, second one down from the biggest, but it's actually by Life Venture. It's a different one. There you go. I don't know whether you can see that. Life Venture. And it's the same, it's sort of the same, but it's actually same size, except the wall here, the side here, is 5 millimeters higher than the MSR Seagull stowaway pot. So if you're going to use, if you're going to have a go at doing this, don't get the MSR Seagull stowaway pot, because it won't fit. Okay, because this is 5 millimeters higher. Right, how to put it together. Right, first of all, stick that on there like that for a bit of protection. Get that lid off. Now, you don't have to use this lid. It will fit in with it if you take this this handle off, you know, and screw it there, and then bung it in there somewhere with your other bits. But you can get away with not using this, because this lid will fit all of them. Okay, ignore that in there. That's my Crusader Mark 1 cook set, and I might make a cup of tea after. So you then get this frying pan. It slots in there quite nicely, and then close the handles on that, open the lid of that, put that lot in there, and fit that on there. Put that down there, and there you go. The resistance is about there, which is not a problem. Easy life. And just click it down, and it sits perfectly all round, and it fits in nicely. It won't rattle unless you, if you've got your cook set and other bits sort of wrapped up. That rattling is that's my skills. That is. that's right. That's my cook set, not the pots themselves, because it's sort of squeezing together, like, roughly. Not too hard. It won't damage it. So yep, there you go. I'll just show you that you can fit that in as well. I'll have to take that handle off. Okay, there's the little handle I've taken off and put the screw back in so I don't lose it. You could put it in there, but I'm going to put it there for now. And all you do, I'll show you again, put that in there. Oh, sorry, I'll get that in there. Now, if you notice, there's an outdent in that pot, and an outdent, if you look at it like that, on this as well. So it sort of fits in sort of nice. And put that in there like that, as I did before, and then close the lid. But just there's a little bit more resistance on there. It won't break it. It's absolutely solid, these pots. I've had this pot for 20 years, probably more than that. They just keep going forever. But there you go, it can be clicked down, and there's a little 2mm rise on the lid there. But it can be done. But also, you don't have to use the... Oh, there's a little spider there. Look. Oh, they love me, these spiders. No, he's trying to get out. Anyway, but no big deal really, but I'm quite happy to use the lid on this pot, this frying pan, or the pot underneath. So that's it. That's all I got to say, except thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. Cheers. I hope you like the idea, by the way. Okay, I'm at the top of the sugarloaf on the edge, and I'll throw another little idea at you. Now, you know these Mark I Crusader cookers don't work very well with the Trangia spirit burner, because it put the pot on, it just snuffs it out. What I've done is I've put 4 cut down tent pegs in the ground, and you could put the pot on the top like that, and it'll work. I wouldn't call it a mountain cooker. This is just a low level woodland cooker really, unless there's no wind. But there you go. And it also works on a hill as well. And there it is on a hill. And all you do is put the tent pegs a bit higher on the downhill bit, or them ones lower, or something, whatever like that. And then you could put the pot on like that, and it still works.